and welcome back to the Blue Star channel. Today we're back with another match vlog. It is Cinco de Mayo day today, and coincidentally we are actually going to be playing a team that is going to be wearing green today, and that of course is the Portland Timber. But in all honesty, we have to win tonight. I mean, I'm getting really kind of fed up and frustrated by this never-ending winless run that we're on. We are now over 2 months since we have last win. It's now 6 games since we have won our last match, and hopefully it finally ends tonight. Hopefully by the end of the 90 minutes we finally get our first 3 points for the first time since the first game of the season. But we're gonna find out if we can do that. Come and join me to Avaya Stadium to see if we can finally end this long 6-game winless run. Currently, I am at the top part of Avaya Stadium, and we have roughly about 45 minutes before the start of this match, and the teams have just been announced. There's only one changes from that game against Columbus. Quintana is coming out because he is currently injured, and in place tonight will be Salinas. Yup, you didn't hear me wrong. It will be Salinas that is going to be playing tonight, and oh my goodness, honestly, let's just hope that he actually played well for once. I mean, but at least the good news is I think Youngworth is probably going to be playing in that center back role, because I don't think there's any other center back in the starting 11 besides Cummins, so at least that's a bonus, I guess. But either way, in terms for my prediction of this match, like I said, this is a game that we got to win. We got to get 3 points. We got to just wake up this season. I mean, it's been a really bad season. We're just sleepwalking for the first couple of weeks, and like I said many times, we are in a very long winless run that I'm really hoping that the day will be the day where we're gonna end it. So for that, I'm gonna say we're gonna win, and I'm gonna say it's gonna be a 3-1 win in favor of the Quakes. And as usual, come on you Quakes, please end this 6-game winless streak.
And an assist in the last 2 matches. Number 23, Florian Youngberg. His actions are louder than his words. Number 11, Buckle. And welcome to the field, your San Jose Earthquakes.
Oh my goodness, Tarbell, what were you thinking? What in the world were you thinking? Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh, off the post. Oh my word, I think that was Blanco that hit it off the post, but Tarbell giving the ball away right into a Timber player to start the attack is really the reason why they had that chances. Now Tarbell gathers it. Oh my goodness, that's a warning shot right there. Erickson. Lima. Lima, cross that one. Oh, and it is just behind for a corner. Wow, I'll tell you what, Lima, when he crossed that one in, that one almost hit into the back of the net. Well, that was a half chance there for us. Pretty much our first half chance of this game. Got a big chance here right outside the box. The ticket. Oh, it's just wide. And actually it took a deflection. It's going to be a corner. Oh, there we go. Oh, Husin. Go on, Husin. Go on, Husin. Oh, it's blocked. Oh, saved by the keeper. Oh, my word. And was that Wando that got the hit? I think it was. Oh, what a chance for us. What a save by the Timber keeper. Maybe one more attack. It's Jackson Yu. Oh, Jackson Yu. And there is halftime. It's scoreless at halftime.
Our score at halftime, your Earthquake 0, Portland Timbers 0.
Right, halftime, it is no score in this game, and oh my word, our attacking is just so piss poor right now. I mean, we had got a couple of half chances there and there, but overall the attack is just way too slow in the development of the play. They just could not create a good final ball whatsoever. Something's got to improve here in the second half in terms of the attack. And in terms of the defense, you know, Portland hasn't really troubled us a lot on the attacking end, and Shea Salinas has done kind of an okay job in the left back. It hasn't been sensational, but he's been just an okay job. And so far, Youngworth has been an absolute rock right there in the center back. But the key thing is we need to score here in the second half. We need to figure out this attack that has just been so bad in this first half. But yeah, we're going to see how the second half is going to go. Oh, nice ball. Go on. It's Danny Husin. Oh, and he hit straight to the keeper. Oh my word, that was a wonderful ball from Vako, and Husin needs to do much better on the finish right there. This is Husin. He's got to wait. Cross this one. Here's the cross. Oh, it's just wide. Comes across. Oh, it's it. Oh no! A miracle! You had it there. Oh man, no. Well, Godoy made an absolute silly foul there, and now they have a free kick, literally 25 yards out near the middle, and this is just Valeri's territory right here. This is his favorite spot. Meanwhile, here's a free kick, and there he is. What a surprise. I said it before that this was Valeri's territory, and he just scored on us. Unbelievable. But Godoy, why in the world did you make a bad foul right in that spot? I mean, oh my goodness gracious. And there's the full-time whistle. Right, it is full time. Timbers has won this one 1-0, and unbelievable, guys. I mean, once again, the second half was pretty much the same as the first half. The attack was absolutely dreadful, and you know, it only takes one brilliance for either these teams to get a winner there, and that is exactly what Diego Valeri did with a superior free kick. But that should have never been a free kick if Honorable Godoy made an absolute silly foul, one of his many silly fouls that he made in this game. But the bottom line is the attack is just ridiculous. I mean, it was an absolute joke to see how this attack was, how poor we were going forward, how slow the development of the play was, and how there was just no movement at all. And the final ball was just as bad as it gets. I mean, oh my goodness. But yeah, we got to turn this around. You know, the next game we are playing against Minnesota, and you know, a couple of weeks ago it would have been probably an easy game, but Minnesota has been kind of hot lately. So yeah, even the next game is not going to be easy as it is, but we have to get something in that game against Minnesota. We got to get 3 points and end this winless streak, because the longer this winless streak goes, the more likely that this season is done. And we're only in May, but either way, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, make sure you guys leave a like, smash that subscribe button, and yeah, I'll see you guys next time.